So I'm going to show two things here. One, I've reconnected the vacuum pipe which goes through the delay valve, then back round to the T-piece which goes to the other side, and that blue pipe is coming around to my Mighty Vac. So there. So what I'm being able to show here is the delay valve in action. So if you think about it, when the engine's running, there's always a vacuum. There's always a vacuum. And the idea is when that vacuum changes, it dips the fuel pressure to give a fuel enrichment. I also forgot to show you setting or checking the system pressure, so I'll do that now. So there's my rest pressure. So on the pressure gauge, this valve, so the pressure gauge is sitting between, sorry I'm moving it around. So that pipe normally goes to the top of the warm-up regulator. So this test equipment goes from here round to there, up to the gauge that you can see. The tap needs to be on the pipe that leads back to the warm-up regulator. So this is its normal operation. You can test the system pressure by closing this valve. And when I close the valve, this is one-handed. And this is telling you the system pressure. So my system pressure is 4.9 bar, 70 psi, just under 5 bar. So it's a little bit under. It's probably within the spec, but probably just slightly low if anything. So what I'll show now is the try and do this one-handed. And we'll just put it back into control pressure. So I'll just turn the tap off. So that's normal operating mode now. Try and get this a bit steadier for you. So what I'm going to do is pull a vacuum. And this is as if the car's running. Focus you back. Okay. And this proves that the delay valve working. So we're on 15 HD of vacuum. And I'm going to quickly release it. So it goes down and it goes back up. That proves that your delay valve's working. Because it was holding a vacuum, which is simulating the engine idling. And obviously when you hit the throttle on a car, the vacuum basically goes back up to close to atmosphere pressure. Can't focus this. Let's try this one. Right. So this is me hitting the throttle. Goes down, lets more petrol go in, and then goes back to normal. So that's proving that your delay valve's working correctly.